Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patel. Today's date is 8 August 2022, and today's our topic name is hierarchy of exception handling. So let's discuss about. Firstly, we discuss about exception handling. The exception means it is a unaccepted, unwanted, abnormal situation occur during the execution of program. It is called as a exception. Then exception handling. The exception handling, it is a powerful mechanism uh, to handle the normal flow of the program. uh, then it is object which is thrown at the runtime. Then exception handling, it is a handle the runtime errors, like as a class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, remote exception, etc. Then types of a Java exception. There are mainly two types of exception. First one is a checked exception, and second one is a unchecked exception. Um, Error is considered as the unchecked exception. It is according to the three types of exception, named as a checked exception, unchecked exception, and error. So let's discuss one by one. First one is a checked exception. The checked exception, the classes that directly inherit the throwable classes except runnable, runtime exception and error are known as a checked exception. For example, IO exception, SQL exception, etc. The checked exception are checked at the compile time process. Then second one is a unchecked exception. The unchecked exception class that inherit the runtime exception are known as an unchecked exception. For example, arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, array index out of bound exception, etc. The unchecked exception are not checked at the compile time, but they are checked in a at the runtime process. Then last one is a error. Error is a irrecoverable. Some example of errors, such as out of memory error, virtual machine error, etc. Then next one is Java exception keywords. The Java provides 5 keywords that are used to handle the exception in our programming. Uh, the keywords, the try keyword is used to specially a block. It is it means we cannot use try block alone. It is always used catch block. The catch block, it is used to handle the exception. It must be provided by the block. Then the finally block is always executed. The exception are occur or not in our programming. That's all about the today's topic. I hope we can understand. Thank you.